How nice to take some time out this evening. I've been working hard all day in the garden, basically because I've been removing about 9 fence panels in the garden, which have all got a bit rotten, and because of the windy conditions recently, they've been blowing out and blowing down, so it was time to replace them. And of course, with 9 new fence panels turned up, which we've now put in, it was a question of what do I do with the old ones? So I decided to have a burn up. And it's quite remarkable, isn't it, that you can buy these small incinerators from the DIY stores. When you think that I've had 9 fence panels, which are measuring, what, 5 foot by about 6 foot, and I've burnt all 9 panels in the smallest of incinerators, really, and now enjoying, just at the end of it really, not many left to go, and enjoying the evening and the wind and just the atmosphere of being out in the garden in the fresh air, having done such a great job with the fence panels. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Perhaps it's time for all of us occasionally to take time out to just sit down, relax, have a cup of tea and do something a bit different, you know, once we've been working perhaps quite very hard for the day. Anyway, look, guys, I'll let you get on. Have a great evening.